How to start selling school uniforms to schools with minimal startup capital.
Hello and welcome. If you're looking for a low-cost business to start, one that has consistent demand, repeat customers, and room to grow, then this video is for you. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to start selling school apparel to schools as a wholesaler, even if you're working with very little startup capital. That's right, no need for a storefront, no expensive equipment, and no large inventory. I'm going to show you how to get started fast and lean, using just a few simple tools. By the end of this video, you'll know how to set up your business, partner with a manufacturer, create your sample kit, and start selling to schools confidently. Let's dive in. Step 1. Understand your role. The wholesaler model. As a wholesaler, your job is to connect manufacturers with schools. You don't need to sew, design, or own any machinery. You work as a middleman who brings uniforms to schools and takes care of the ordering and delivery process. Here's how it works. You find a uniform manufacturer who can produce quality products at competitive prices. You present those products to schools. Once a school places an order, you pass it to the manufacturer and coordinate delivery. You make your profit by marking up the price. Because uniforms are worn every year, schools reorder regularly, and you get repeat business. This model is simple, low risk, and scalable. Perfect for someone just getting started. Step 2. Partner with a manufacturer. Next, you need to find a reliable manufacturer who can produce school uniforms. You can look locally or internationally, depending on your budget and timeline. Sites like Alibaba, Fair, or local uniform factories are great places to start. Your manufacturer should offer a variety of school uniform items, polos, trousers, skirts, gym wear, etc. Multiple size and color options, customization options like logos and embroidery, reasonable minimum order quantities, MOQs, clear production timelines and shipping estimates, competitive pricing. Reach out to several manufacturers and ask for sample pricing. Most manufacturers are happy to send samples for a small fee, especially if you express intent to buy in bulk later. You'll need about 6 uniform samples to start. For example, 1 polo shirt, 1 dress shirt, 1 pair of pants, 1 skirt, 1 sweater, and 1 PE shirt. These samples will be the cornerstone of your pitch to schools. Step 3. Build your sales kit. To start pitching schools, you'll need a simple but professional presentation kit. This is your main investment, and it doesn't have to break the bank. Your starter kit should include 1. 6 uniform samples. These showcase the look and feel of what you offer. Make sure they are neat, well-pressed, and varied in style. 2. A physical clothing rack. Use a small collapsible clothing rack to display your samples neatly when visiting schools. 3. A custom catalog, digital plus printed. Your catalog is what schools will keep long after your meeting. It should include high-quality product photos, size charts, available colors, customization options, e.g., school logo placement, minimum order quantities, production and shipping timelines, packaging information, e.g., individually packed per student or bulk packed, your business information and ordering instructions. You can design this yourself using Canva or hire a freelancer for a polished look. Be sure to offer both print and PDF versions. 4. Order sheet or online form. Prepare a simple order form, either on paper or through Google Forms, where schools can specify quantities, sizes, and styles. With this kit in hand, you'll look professional, organized, and prepared. Step 4. Make it official. Business setup. Before you start selling, you need to make sure your business is registered and professional. Schools prefer dealing with legitimate vendors, not individuals. Here's what to set up. Register your business in your state, usually as an LLC or sole proprietorship. Apply for an EIN, Employer Identification Number, from the IRS. It's free and necessary for business banking and tax purposes. Set up a professional website. It can be a simple one-page site with your logos, catalog download, contact form, and company info. Use a custom domain name, e.g., www.yourschooluniformco.com. Create a professional email address, e.g., orders@yourschooluniformco.com. Get a business phone number. Google Voice is a good free option. Design a business logo. You can use Canva or Fiverr for something clean and simple. These steps may cost under $200 in total, but go a long way in building trust with schools. Step 5. Pitching to schools. Now comes the most important part, getting your first school contract. Here's how to approach it strategically. 1. Make a target list. Create a list of local private schools, charter schools, and public schools that require uniforms. You can usually find this info on their websites. 2. Book a meeting. Call or email the school administrator, office manager, or principal. Politely ask if they're open to meeting with a local uniform vendor. You can say, "Hi, my name is Name, and I represent company name, a local school uniform supplier. I'd love to set up a quick meeting to show you a few sample options and see if we can support your uniform needs this year." 3. Present professionally. During your meeting, use your clothing rack to display uniform samples. Walk through your catalog and answer questions. Be clear about pricing, timelines, and MOQs. Explain how easy it is to order. Offer flexible options like logo embroidery, custom sizing, or home delivery. Be confident, concise, and honest. 4. Leave behind your catalog and card. Even if the school doesn't commit on the spot, they now have your catalog and contact information. Follow up a few days later. Step 6. Bonus. Get on vendor lists. Many public school districts use approved vendor lists. Contact the district procurement office or visit their website and search for vendor registration or become a vendor. Once approved, you can receive district-wide bid opportunities, sell to multiple schools at once, look more credible and established. Being on vendor lists can be a powerful growth channel, so start the application early. It can take a few weeks. Final tips for success. Let's wrap with a few key pointers for long-term success. Don't stock inventory. Order from your manufacturer only after you receive payment from the school. Build strong relationships with school staff, especially principals, office managers, and parent-teacher groups. Stay organized with order deadlines, production time, and delivery schedules. Ask for referrals. Happy schools are often happy to recommend you to others. Keep improving your catalog with better photos and more options over time. This business has low overhead, recurring orders, and the chance to grow into larger contracts. You can even expand into gym uniforms, spirit wear, graduation gowns, or faculty apparel later. So there you have it. A complete guide to starting your own school uniform wholesale business with minimal startup capital. All you need to get started is a few sample uniforms, a catalog, a clothing rack, an order form, and the drive to make it happen. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Now get out there, build your kit, and land your first school.